Guys, this is Eric with Pro Rebuild. If you own a 98 or 99 Chevy Astro or GMC Safari, you may not know that your vehicle is equipped with one of these, but every single one of those vans is. This is the Passlock or anti-theft module. It is obsolete from General Motors. You can no longer buy it from any dealership. I have not been able to find any of these available online, which is why that I have built this test rig to test them, and I sell these as rebuilt. I go through them and fix all the major problems. No one has a test rig like this, and I kind of want to show you how this works, and then I'll talk about how the system works. So there's two different part numbers for the Astros and the Safaris. There's this number, which is 093528885 and 16265005. As far as I'm able to identify, there is no interchange between the two, so you have to match the part number. And this code on the part is also different. This code will always match this part number no matter what, so make sure that you match the part number or the code. Either way, you'll be fine. When these fail, one of the biggest problem is that the vehicle will not start. You'll notice that the security light will stay on and the vehicle will just crank. You can try to do the key relearn. Sometimes it will take it, sometimes it will not. Now that key relearn is it's a simple 30-minute procedure where you key on and key off a period of cycles, and I'll cover that in just a second. Now, if the security light is on, your vehicle will not start no matter what. If it flashes, that means it's in tamper mode and you have not done the key relearn correctly, or it is not finished. So I will show you kind of how these work. This is my test rig here. I don't know why we don't have power. There we go, we have power now. So we plug one of these in. And now that light is flickering, this is in tamper mode. That tells me that it is communicating with the Passlock module, and the Passlock module is good. When they are bad, this light will stay on the whole time. If this light stays on for a few seconds and then turns off, it is also good. It will usually do that the first time, and then after that, it will flash because it goes into tamper mode. Now, the key relearn process, what you want to do is you want to install your new Passlock module, and then you want to turn your key to where it will start. To where the start, you want to turn it over for about 2 or 3 seconds and then let it sit in the on position for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you want to key off for 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, you key back on without hitting the starter for another 10 minutes. You repeat that process one more time where you key off after 10 minutes for 30 seconds, and then back on for 10 minutes, and then the next time, after the third time, you key off for 30 seconds, and then you try to start your vehicle. If the security light is blinking or is stationary, is stuck on, then your vehicle will not start. If the security light is on for a few seconds and then turns off, the next thing you do is turn the vehicle on and it will start. I charge a core charge on these. I get the same price, which is $149.99 every single time. They're guaranteed for life. They have a lifetime warranty. If you have any issues with them, you can send it back at any point in time. I don't need a receipt or anything. I will need your old unit back. You'll get $25 back, which makes the price $125. That price includes shipping, and we ship priority mail. If you need one faster, we can next day it. It's not a problem. If you'd like one, you can either find us on eBay at Pro Rebuild, or you can call us at 573-340-3776. Thanks, guys, and I hope I helped you fix your van.